EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for March 19th, 2024. The spring equinox arrives today at 11:06 p.m. So the first full day of spring will be tomorrow. The Tuesday video forecast is proudly sponsored by Mark Damiani Painting Incorporated. And with spring starting, let them help you get your house ready for the outdoor season. How's that deck looking these days? Does it need a pressure wash and staining? What about a fresh coat of paint on those faded shutters and front door? They can help with any exterior painting you may need this year. They are family owned and operated with over 40 years in business, so you can't go wrong with their exceptional attention to detail and great customer service. Serving the southeast PA counties of Montgomery, Bucks, and Chester. Call them now to schedule a free estimate at the phone number above me here in the video, 484-571-9233. They are Mark Damiani Painting Incorporated, proud sponsor of the Tuesday video forecast. So today, another cold day. We had a cold day yesterday relative to average. It just felt chilly because you had the breeze. We're going to have the breeze again today. Same thing, winds 10 to 15, gusting to 25 throughout the day today. So nothing terrible, but we will have some breezy conditions and similar temperatures. So it's going to be a wash, rinse, repeat type thing. We're going to have partly cloudy skies to start, mostly cloudy in the afternoon. That's pretty much going to be the same for both days, where it starts off a little bit more sun in the morning, and then both days meaning today and tomorrow. And then in the afternoon, we see some clouds roll in, okay? Now, on Wednesday, we do have the opportunity for a few snow showers as a weak disturbance moves through. But prior to that, as we get over the NAM high-res future simulated radar, our far northern areas, probably north of I-80 today. As we get to the evening hours, we have a little weak disturbance off to the north. Could touch off a few snow showers. Again, I-80 and north is what we're looking for, those quick snow showers during the course of the evening. Goes to about midnight or maybe just after that, and that threat is over with. Once we get to Wednesday, the second disturbance comes in. It'll be, again, about an I-80 dividing line where any isolated showers, rain showers, will be south of I-80. North of there, you could have a snow shower, as you can see here. And that is, again, I-80 and north for that opportunity here on Wednesday. On the European model, pretty much shows the same delineation of rain versus snow, which is hard to see because it's so light. But it's pretty much right here. That's right along I-80 there. So anything north there, it could be a few snow showers. But temperatures are going to be too warm for it to stick. So it's just going to be a snow falling, not sticking type thing for most areas as this disturbance moves through. Just a weak disturbance. It's actually a cold front. The disturbance with it is actually situated up here. So we have a little bit of a cold front moving through. This is a reinforcing shot of cold air coming in behind this system that's going to set us up for colder temperatures again on Thursday. So next couple of days, today is similar temperatures to what we saw yesterday. It's actually going to warm up ahead of that frontal boundary on Wednesday. Still technically slightly below average, but we're going to warm up maybe near average, I'd say. 48 to 56 is the spread here on temperatures on Wednesday, and then we go right back down to the low to mid 40s for highs on Thursday, but we are expecting mostly sunny skies in the wake of that system, so nothing to deal with as far as precipitation, not many clouds to deal with either, but we're also going to be very breezy again on Wednesday and Thursday. So this breeziness that we had yesterday is going to continue for the next couple of days, and when the cold front moves through during the afternoon and evening on Wednesday, I think the wind gusts will actually be at its peak of this 4-day period. Most days are 10 to 15, gusting to 25, like they were yesterday, like they'll be today, like they will be on Thursday. Wednesday, we expect some wind gusts that are going to be 20 to 30 miles per hour, some gusts that are going to sneak into the 35 vicinity during the afternoon, late afternoon, and evening hours as that front moves through. Just a reinforcing shot of cold air, and then it pushes through. Again, still breezy on Thursday with mostly sunny skies, and then Friday, we start off partly cloudy. Clouds are going to increase later in the day, in the afternoon. And then we have this next system coming at us that's going to affect us Friday night into Saturday morning, at least. Okay, so now this is interesting because there is marginally cold air coming in. When I talked about the opportunities for snow that we've had that we would have for the end of the month, the last identifiable opportunity is this one that's coming in this weekend. That is it. This is your last chance for anything that would possibly be snow, and it's only for certain areas, okay? But this is a classic example of thread the needle. It's coming in at night, overnight, Friday night when it's colder, and it's not really getting that warm on Saturday to begin with. It's still going to be on either side of the middle 40s for highs, so it doesn't have as far to go down as far as temperatures are concerned, but it does have, this is the European model, again, up near I-80 and north, it has some snow shower activity, at least initially, and then rain showers farther south, and this goes into, and then it changes over to rain. Okay, which is probably the most, realistic outcome of this event that we're going to have Friday night into Saturday morning. But it's just lighter rain here, it looks like, and that goes into Saturday morning. And then the coastal low actually stays off to the east and just heads out to sea here. So the weekend, this Sunday, would be later Saturday. Would actually become have some partial clearing in the afternoon after this moves out, possibly in some areas, and then partly cloudy skies here on Sunday and again on Monday. That is the European model and their depiction of what it's going to do this weekend. If we get over the GFS, it's a little bit more aggressive with the snow, at least to start, and it actually has it at I-78 and north, but near I-78 it's a mix. And then this is all snow up here, not by I-80 to start. This does change over to a mix and then rain in those areas. And then this ends again. It looks like Saturday morning, and then the afternoon you have some partial clearing as it starts to pull away. And then we're dry Sunday. And again, here's Monday right here. It's still dry. This system next to our west of here stays to the west as a warm front and doesn't affect your Monday. So we're partly cloudy Monday as well. So we're going to watch this over the next couple of days. It is not far-fetched from what it's showing. There are some ensemble members that are jumping on board with the idea that there could be, yes, a little bit of snow initially. It won't be a snowstorm in a traditional sense, but it could be something that starts off as snow in the interior or northern areas, and especially areas of elevation, and then goes over to rain, a mix and then rain as we get through the course of the night on Friday night and then Saturday morning before this pulls away. So we'll continue to monitor it. Again, the GFS is the most aggressive with this idea, with the amount of wintry precipitation involved with it. I don't know that it's going to be that wintry, but we'll see. The European model had nothing before, and now starting to hint at something at least close to the New York-Pennsylvania border. So we will keep an eye on this for the end of the week, and then against our last chance. This is it. This is your last shot of anything wintry with any of these systems that are going forward, because once we get beyond this system, it's probably the coldest period this week they're going to be dealing with, probably until we get to next November. All right. It is going to be cooler relative to average slightly as we start off early April, but it's going to be relative to highs at that time, which are now getting to near 60. So upper 50s and near 60. So it's not going to be as easy. Slightly below won't cut it. Okay. So even for thread the needle at night stuff, it's not going to cut it. So this is our last opportunity. We'll continue to follow this in the week ahead, but no promises with this. Again, I'm kind of leaning against what the GFS shows. It's actually more in line with what the European model has. And I can see, again, elevations and maybe far northern Pennsylvania near the New York-Pennsylvania border, at least starting off as some snow. That is possible. So we'll continue to follow that throughout the week and give you updates as we get them. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for March 19th, 2024. Have a great Tuesday.